Today, I am building a keyboard that is ultra unique that I have never built in the past, and it is a tinted ergo split Alice-ish keyboard. It's actually really cool, but the only downside is it's soldered. So today's gonna be a long day. For some reason, the box has a lot of packages. There's this box, there's another one that looks just like this, and then there's like a bunch of little boxes too. There's like a million boxes that come with this keyboard. There's this one has the case in it. I can feel it because it's ultra heavy. And then you've got a bunch of random accessories here, so I'll be unboxing them one by one, getting our everything situated before we get started. I'll do the case box first. It's such a heavy keyboard. Oh my god. This thing is huge. Got a nice brass weight here with some arches. The engraving says Venice, and it is the size longer than a TKL, so it is massive. And we've got the foam kit for the right side, the plate for the right side, the plate for the left side. Here is the case. It is super heavy. I'm gonna open everything else. There's like a kabillion things, and I think they sent me too much because there's more foam kits. Ooh, a hot swap PCB. I thought I had to solder. Oh, yes. Oh, I'm so excited now. I literally thought I had to solder. I've been putting this project off for many weeks because I thought I had to solder, and I don't like soldering or going outside to solder. So thank goodness the Rialto is hot swappable, or can be, and it can be solderable if you want. Here's one half of it. This is the right side, and there's a ribbon cable to connect to the USB port and a ribbon cable to connect to the left side. Literally, they could have put two PCBs in this box probably, but there's only one. It's the hot swap PCB for the left side. It has two ribbon cables as well. One over here, one over here. Why are there so many ribbon cables? So far we've got this look like so. The foam kit. You've got every option under the sun. Case foam, plate foam, another kind of plate foam. These two plate foams are different. PE foam and something else. I'm not using PE foam, but I will use plate foam. But which one? These are both left sides. What the heck is this? What? Okay, PE foam. I'm gonna scrap that. And this bit, I don't even know what this is. I think this goes in the case. So I think we can just figure this out. They also included a part for the right side. Okay, left plate. Polycarbonate plate. Pretty flexible. So the left side has two stabilizers. One near the thumb and one for the shift. Right foam kit. Oh no, it's all bunched up. No, it's all ugly now. Wait, they gave me another foam kit. So they gave me two foam kits for the right side, and this one is still in beautiful condition, so I'll use this one. This is a soldered PCB. Won't be using this. Left side and right side has a soldered PCB. These boxes are just not it. And another foam kit. The knob, ribbon cables, and accessories like screws, gaskets. Oh, hey, this is cool. Screwdriver with different heads. This is very cool, but I'll be opting to use my iFixit toolkit today that you can check out using the link down below. It's the best toolkit for building keyboards of all time, and I will recommend it to everybody and anybody. Alright, so I've unboxed everything that needed to be unboxed, except for this. The knob, the ribbon cables, the daughter board. There's already a daughter board on there, so that is good, and more screws. In total, you need 1, 2, 3, 4. You need 5 stabilizers. 5 stabilizers is a lot. I'm gonna go and get my stabilizers, and then we can get started. Actually, it'll be done like this. Boom, stabilizers are complete. These switches are the Gateron cream soda switches. They come from Punkshoe. They're linear with a milky housing, an ink bottom housing, a palm long pole stem. Ooh, 63 grams ring weight, 3.7 millimeter travel, and factory lube. All right, let's put them in. Here is the switch. South-facing hot swap sockets, a plate with standoffs. This should be easy. I've got a cat on the table, like always. Cats love keyboard stuff. So the reason that there's a soldered version as well is that I think you can go plateless. The PCB is the part that has the gaskets on it, not the plate. So you could build this thing however you want. Alright, that part is done. Next, I disassemble the case. These are really long screws. So these screws up here are so long that you have to use the included tools, or else your bit is not long enough to reach them, which is highly inconvenient, but at least they provide you the tools, so I can't really put it against them. And there's another bonus: the feet are already installed on the case. Okay, this part involves ribbon cables and gaskets. So time to get the gasket bag out. Okay, gaskets are super easy to install. You just push it in the hole that is provided. How convenient. It's a tight fit, but it works. Okay, it's ribbon cable time. All right, one side in. Okay. Knob installed. Now I can close it and put on keycaps, but first probably plug it in. It works. So the layout is a little weird, but it works. Boom. Nice flex, looks pretty. Alright, and for keycaps, I'll be going with the Drop DCX Violac keycaps, and you can find the link for those down in the description down below, as well as everything that I use in this video. So purple on purple on purple. Ooh, sounds nice. There we go. Oh yeah. Nice. Alright, so this is the keyboard. It actually looks really unique, very cool, very weird, very heavy, and it sounds absolutely amazing. The knob is silent, the tent is strange, but it looks beautiful. Alright, time for the sound test. Beautiful. Here is the finished keyboard, and it looks super unique, right? I've never seen anything like it. Here's the back, the Venice Rialto Garon cream soda switches, DCX Violac. You can check it all down below, and it should be available right now.